Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fantastic beginner-friendly push-up workout plan that'll have you feeling strong and fit in no time. Let's start with the no push-up challenge. Here's how it works. Push-ups are a bit of a challenge for some, so let's ease into it. Begin by doing knee push-ups for 2 minutes straight. Once you've nailed that, move on to normal push-ups, and then elevate your hands to a chair for even more of a challenge. Time yourself on the stopwatch as you progress through each level. When you hit your personal record, take a well-deserved break and repeat the challenge if you're feeling up to it. Pro tip: if you can do 10 reps at any level, feel free to go off on your own and tackle more push-ups at that level. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for this workout 2 to 3 times per week to see real progress. That's it for now, folks. Give this beginner-friendly push-up workout plan a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. As always, stay strong and keep pushing yourself towards your fitness goals. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome fitness content.